Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful strategy guys. Another powerful boom and crash strategy. With this strategy, you'll be able to grow your small account. As little as a $10 account, with this strategy, you'll be able to grow that account, okay? So if you are excited and you want to know how to do that, just stick to the video guys, don't skip any part of this video. I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step way, okay? I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step way in which you will be able to grow your $10 account with this boom and crash strategy, okay? Now, this strategy, it works on the boom 1000 and the crash 1000, okay? It works on boom 1000 and crash 1000, okay? That's the synthetic indices it works based on. It works on other boom and crash, but it works best with 99.9 accuracy on the boom 1000 and crash 1000, okay? So guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, just quickly go and hit that red subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, okay? Because on this channel I post powerful strategy for you guys. Powerful strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? So without wasting much time, let me go and show you. Let me show you how the strategy works, okay? Now, with this strategy, you don't necessarily need to go to the higher time frame to do your analysis, okay? You just need to stick to the rules and the conditions I will be sharing with you now, okay? Now, for an entry, we need some few conditions to be met before we take an entry, okay? So the first condition is, first of all, you wait for these black moving averages, okay? I'm coming. So you wait for these black moving averages to get to the oversold level. That's the 15 level right here. So immediately it get to the 15 level. Now that's your one condition you need to wait for. And the second thing you do, you look at the main chart, okay? Now you see that price has broken out of this Bollinger Band here. That's the spike has broken through the Bollinger Band, okay? The spike has broken through this Bollinger Band. That's the second condition you need to wait for. Now the next condition is that you see, let me get rid of these tools. You see this fractal right here, this red arrow pointing down, these red arrows you are seeing on the charts. Now you wait for the red arrow to appear down below, okay? You wait for the red arrow to appear down below, okay? And that is three conditions, okay? First of all, you wait for the overbought level to be reached, okay? Your moving average must reach the oversold level, okay? The oversold level. Then that is one. The second thing, you need to see a breakout of the Bollinger Band. You need to see a spike breaking out of this Bollinger Band right here, okay? And the third one, you need to see the fractals appearing below it. So immediately the fractals appear below it. Now the next thing you do is to go in for 5 candles, okay? 5 candles. You don't need to stay longer, okay? Just 5 candles or even 4 candles, you are out, okay? No, we are trading the regular candles with this strategy. We are trading the ticks. We are not catching spike with this strategy, okay? So you need to be careful. You need to be extra careful and don't be greedy with this strategy, okay? Just follow the rules, follow the conditions. You need to wait for the conditions to be met, then you take your entry, okay? And you can see. Now one other thing is that you need to enter with the concrete, like right here, this moving average. When it gets to the oversold level or the overbought level, you don't enter immediately. You check if it's fluctuating or not, okay? As you can see, this one is not fluctuating, so you make sure you check, okay? Now let me show you how to set your screen so that you'll be able to do that. Now this is where I set my screen. You can see straight line with the dollar sign. Okay, let me set it. So you see, now for the zoom level, you zoom out completely and then you zoom in 3 times. Okay, you zoom in 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you zoom in 3 times. So that's the condition you need to wait for. You need to wait for those 3 conditions I just showed you guys. You can see this one is fluctuating, so you don't go in with that. Okay, see this one is concrete, it's not fluctuating, so these are the ones you should take. You can see that immediately, like, there will be like 2 candles or 3 candles before the red candle, the red fractal will appear, and then you take 5 candles after those candles, 5 candles, and then you are out of the market. You don't need to be greedy, guys. There's power in accumulation. Okay, there's power in accumulation. Like once you have like 10 entry in a day and you are taking 5 candles, you see that your account will be growing. That little profit you'll be making with time, you see how your $10 will be growing to a $20, from $20 to a $30, gradually. Okay, so you don't need to be greedy. Just stick to the rules and you'll be on the safer side. You'll be on the money making side. Okay, you'll be on the profitable side. So you see, that is how the strategy works. It's very simple. The same thing applied to boom. Okay, the same thing applied to boom. You can see right here, after the fractal 5 candle, you are safe. Okay, you can see it keeps happening over and over again. Okay, so you can see the strategy is very simple. You need to wait for a breakout. It needs to break out. Okay, if it doesn't break out, it means there is possibility of spike. So just make sure it breaks out before you, even if it gets to the over even if it gets to the overbought level right here and there's no breakout, don't enter. Wait for the breakout to happen. Take the take the trade you know is very profitable, that you know that is well confirmed. You don't just take trade anyhow. Okay, you don't just take trades anyhow. You can see it broke out and it went down massively. Okay, but you don't need to be greedy. You just take 5 candles, you are out, because there are times there will be spikes. Okay, now with this strategy, even if you are caught with a spike, that spike, it will not be long like this. If you follow the conditions properly, it will not be long. Maybe it will be just it will be a small spike like this. And you can see this one. You can see, let's say it broke through the Bollinger Band. You can see, like, after 2 candles, this fractal will appear, and then you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll be out before the next spike will come. And even if this spike caught with you, it will not be able to blow your account, and you'll be able to recover your money again. You can see. Okay, you can see here right here is double opportunity for you. You take 5 candles from here and you take another 5 candles from here. You can see there's a lot of entry opportunities with this strategy. Okay, so just stick to the conditions I gave to you, and you'll be on the safer side. Okay, so that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, and you'll be able to use that strategy to make money too. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be drawing the curtain right here. Share this video with your friends, guys. Share it with your family. Help others. Okay, let them make this money too. Okay, help others. Don't be selfish or greedy. Okay, so I'll be drawing the curtain here now, guys. Wish you all success, more money. Okay, silver out.